What is going on, everybody? This is Cabale with Cabale Media, and in today's video, we are going over the beginner's guide to email list building. Stay tuned. Happy 2025, everyone. And if you are wondering how to build an email list that actually works, you are in the right place. As you know, it is my job to ensure that you get the info that you need to create an amazing email marketing program, use the core strategies to build high converting email lists, and then let's take it from there. Let's get into it. There's two types of strategies, which are organic and paid strategies for growth. We have content marketing, which utilizes blog posts, YouTube, as we're doing today, social media posts to drive traffic to sign up for them. Let's say if you run a travel blog, you can put a button or a CTA at the bottom that says sign up for exclusive travel guides at the end of every post. So that's one example of content marketing. You could also do webinars and events, offer free value through live webinars or workshops, which tend to work pretty well. I've been on quite a few webinars. I've hosted them, did the background kind of producing part of them. They do work very well. Say that you get a really good audience, right? If you say something like host a free workshop for, 5 productivity hacks for entrepreneurs or business people, and then a sign up being a requirement in order to get to this webinar. And that's getting their email for you to have on your email list. And then networking, right? Encouraging signups through word of mouth referrals. Place a QR code linking to the website or to your website in order to get more emails back to your email list. Paid strategies, organic versus non-organic, obviously differ. You want to utilize both to your advantage. As we get into paid strategies, retargeting ads. That's basically targeting visitors who have already interacted with your website but didn't sign up. Example, let's say you're a beauty brand or athletic brand and say, don't miss your favorite skincare guide or your favorite athleisure wear. Sign up now. Get that email address back. Social media ads. So there's Facebook, there's Instagram. You can do LinkedIn to reach your ideal audience with a lead magnet, depending whether you're in B2B or B2C. Let's say for B2B, a SaaS company, they offer free trials via Facebook, capturing leads for follow-up emails. That's a great one. And then collaborations with influencers, partnering up with influencers for paid campaigns. Let's say, for example, an influencer does a paid ad promoting your 7-day free meal plan or something like that. Take what I just said here and then use that to your advantage. The importance of lead magnet and some examples. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet should provide instant value. Let's discuss a few examples. For example, let's start off with a fashion brand again. They offer seasonal wardrobe checklists, which a lot of fashion brands do. A marketing agency gives free auditing templates for, let's say, social media. That's a great one. Okay. High converting lead magnet ideas. Ebooks and guides. Sure, it shares your knowledge on topics your audience cares about. And then let's say if you're a nutritionist, maybe 10 healthy recipes to start off the new year or 10 strategies for busy people. 2025, new year, new me. Checklists and templates. Quick, actionable resources are great for attracting leads. A real estate firm provides an ebook that maybe says home buyer's checklist, a checklist. Exclusive content, access to hidden blogs. Let's see, videos and members only content, which is another great thing to offer. And then let's say something again like a fitness app offers downloadable video series for certain people only, or for new subscribers. How do you align lead magnets with your audience? Let's say, for example, a tech startup might offer top 5 tools to launch your business, or maybe a parenting blog could provide a template for weekly meal planning. You just have to become creative. You have to be an industry expert in your business. What can you offer? What can you give for free? And how is it going to service or help your subscriber? Building landing pages that convert. The headline has to be clear and benefit driven. Let's say, for example, a skincare line. Want healthier skin? Download our free skincare guide. That's a great one for people who want to be, let's say, acne free or get rid of, under bag eyes or somebody who has dry skin. Social proof, ad reviews, testimonials, or case studies also help a landing page to convert. Highlight over 1,000 happy customers, or highlight over 1,000 people have benefited from this guide. Something like that. Use a really great CTA or call to actions, simple action-oriented buttons. Download now, claim your free guide, so on and so forth. Best practices for design: simplicity, eliminate distractions by using clean design, minimalist layout, a page with one clear goal to collect an email address. And then, of course, mobile optimization. As we know, most people are on their phones looking on the internet. Tools to create landing page. You can use things such as Unbounce, Lead Pages, Elementor, design stunning pages without coding. If you're not a coder, like I said, Unbounce, Lead Pages, and Elementor lay it out for you. Instead of drag and drop, and you'll be good to go. What are the pros and cons? Let's go back to the beginning of organic strategies. Organic strategies, it builds long-term trust, cost-effective, and sustainable. The cons are it takes time, requires consistent effort, and success can be unpredictable. Example, let's start again with that fitness blog. Grows their email list through SEO and adds signups to form every post. The pros and cons of paid strategies: fast growth, scalable, and highly targeted. Cons can be very expensive, requires ongoing testing, and ROI isn't guaranteed. Pros and cons of organic and paid strategies. The importance of lead magnet and the pros and the cons. The pros: that it attracts highly relevant leads, builds goodwill, and incentivizes engagement. Cons, of course, requires a lot of, and it might not appeal to high converting lead magnet ebooks. The pros: highly informative, shows expertise. Cons: time intensive to create. If you've created an ebook in the past, we know how labor intensive it could be. It sucks sometimes, but you gotta have to deal with it. Checklists. Pros: very quick to create, actionable, and easy to consume. It's maybe a little too simplistic for people, but you never know. Webinars. The pros of a webinar are they're interactive, build trust, and showcases your expertise. The cons: they're time consuming to plan and host, and attendance rate may vary. You may have no people or may have 100 people. Pros and cons of building landing pages or high converting landing pages. The pros are that it simplifies the sign up process, laser focus on conversions, right to the point. Cons: it requires design, copywriting expertise, needs A/B testing to optimize. We really have to think about what you're doing when you're making this landing page. Best practices for designs: improves the user experience, increases mobile traffic conversions. The cons: if the design is poor, it can hurt conversions and create mistrust. Make sure you have everything aligned. And then tools for building landing pages. Pros: easy to use, saves time and templates. Cons: subscription costs can add up for advanced features. You have to decide if you want to do it drag and drop or custom. Why is an email list a must-have for every business? If you have an email marketing list, you own your list versus social media followers, right? Tomorrow Instagram could go down. Email marketing ROI, $44 for every dollar you spend, right? Stats versus, so that's a real world example. It varies from trends, $42 to $44, but $1 and get $44 back, even 42 is a great number to get back. And then email lists build long-term relationships. You want that all the time. Social media followers come and go, but as long as you're providing good content, people will not unsubscribe from your email list. Again, let's go over organic strategies to build your email list: content marketing, using blogs, videos, and SEO to attract signups, in-store or event-based signups, leveraging QR codes and on-the-spot offers, social media CTAs, adding sign-up prompts to your posts and bios. Paid strategies to accelerate list email growth. Now we're just kind of summing it up here. Retargeting ads, right? Using website visitors for targeted campaigns. Paid partnerships, collaborating with influencers. And then platforms for paid ads. It's Facebook, Instagram, and then LinkedIn, Google Ads, so on and so forth. There are many pros and cons to that, but we can go over that in another video. Creating and optimizing lead magnets. So there's what makes a lead magnet irresistible. It has to be actionable, it has to be specific, and visually appealing. Think of those as you're creating your lead magnet. And then you're aligning your lead magnet with your audience's pain points. Let's bring it back to an athleisure brand. If you have an athleisure brand and you see that people are complaining about how other brands fit, maybe use that. Talk about how your product is going to benefit them, but not how great you are. Building landing pages that convert. Elements of a high converting landing page are headlines, CTAs, social proof, tools to create landing page, Unbounce, Lead Pages, WordPress, Elementor, and then do your research. Try to avoid the common mistakes. Try to avoid common mistakes. Again, now Try to avoid common mistakes. Again, another video. Always think about how you're building your landing page, how it's going to benefit the customer, and get straight to the point. Mistakes to avoid when you're building your email list. Don't buy. Okay? No buying email lists. Over promising and under delivering, and then ignoring mobile optimizations for sign-up forms. And then best practices for consistent growth. Keep your lead magnets fresh, updated, and relevant. Use A/B testing for sign-up forms and landing pages. And then last but not least, engage your existing audience to share and refer others. There it is. The beginner's guide to email list building for 2025. I hope this video helps. Happy 2025. I am glad that you're back here with me on the channel. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. You can like, share, and subscribe. You can tell me what videos you want to see, what videos you don't want to see. You can go and email me at jcabale@cabalemedia.com. You can go to cabalemedia.com and get your 30-minute consultation. And that's it. This is Janice Cabale with Cabale Media, and I'll see you at the next video.